welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are finally doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy for July
About time.
2022.
Since it's August.
Yeah, I know we had a live scheduled last Sunday to do it, but I canceled it at the last minute because
It's all my fault.
things, just reasons. So hopefully you are still interested in seeing this. Plus, another reason is our bags are very underwhelming this month. So
Mine's special.
I know my August bag is going to be a lot better, but what I do like is the bag. First of all, hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron.
And my head won't fit in the frame.
We were talking about that earlier. On my channel, I do a lot of makeup material. I've started putting in cooking segments, and we do unboxings together, and
I do a smaller amount of makeup material.
And on occasion, I do talk about mental health issues. If you are into any of that, or say you're into all that, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. Again, this bag is one of the cuter bags we have had. It is
It's fabulous.
like this blue wavy material.
Just take it to the beach. It'd just be fabulous.
Yeah, and has this little starfish on it. Has this
The starfish is really cute.
yellow trim on it. It is just really, really cute. Let us take out all of our items. And on the inside of the bag, it is yellow. It is just a really cute bag this month. Wouldn't you agree, Aaron?
It's super cute. Also, this is the moment we've been waiting for, apparently. We have been waiting for it.
Oh yeah, if you haven't seen it already from other people,
And you probably have.
The theme this month is soak it all in.
Life's a beach.
It does, or it actually, we got one of the same things. Oh, anyway, it actually has, sometimes it doesn't, but it actually has the products that we got this month.
That's why it's special.
We do Ipsy versus Ipsy style, where we play a little game to see who got the better bag.
We argue about whose products are superior.
And you let us know down in the comments who you think got the better bag. We take it
You decide.
Yeah, we take it product by product, and yeah, makeup beats skincare, skincare beats miscellaneous.
Rock and rock beat scissors.
Yeah, things like that. Okay, first off, we take the items that we picked. Do you remember what you picked this month?
I think I picked this. Not that I had a lot of choices, but
Why would you pick that?
because I didn't have a lot of choices.
But I picked this.
You did.
Why didn't you pick this?
I don't think that was one of my choices.
We all got the same choices.
I don't know then. It was like 2 months ago.
Okay.
You hear that, Ipsy? You hear that?
For this month's choice item, I picked the MAC Stack Mascara. And I usually, when I get choices for mascara, I usually pick mascara. Like Cam usually picks lip things. And I know there had to be a lip choice.
I don't know.
I am going to go ahead and
This is
open
a
this.
lip and cheek tint, so I guess that maybe counts.
Because
Ooh,
that is what
spiky.
they want to look like. Because I really want to test it out this month.
Spiky.
I've heard mixed reviews on this. it came with this thing. If I like it, I think I want to buy the full-size version. So I'm glad I got a chance to try it out. Then getting the chance to try out the small version. Show them what you picked out. No, what your choice item.
My choice. I choose my choice. Refreshments. Brilliant body bar in citrus spritz. I put it in this baggie because it smells really strong. Citrus is just, it smacked me over the head with citrus. It smells pretty nice though. You can smell it through the bag, I think.
I got that in a body lotion.
Here, smell that.
Yeah, that's what my body lotion smells like.
It's citrusy, but it kind of looks like butterscotch. It's like a big, big butterscotch, but it's not. I tried, but it's not. That was the Refreshments Brilliant Body Bar in Citrus Spritz. Soak in the suds. This nourishing body bar cleanses and purifies for all of our freshness. It's gentle enough to be used all over, on all skin types. Lather up for 100 30 seconds so you don't get lost in the refreshing citrus scent. You'll be lost in it. You'll never make your way out. Pro tip. Want super suds? Lather up with a loofah or washcloth for an extra foamy experience. You heard it here. Yeah.
That's
MSRP $9, full size.
Okay, my full size would be $28.
Ooh.
So I think I win this round.
Yeah, I mean, yours doesn't smell like citrus, but, you know.
This does smell nice.
I think pretty much anything beats soap. What you trying to tell me, Ipsy? I think I picked this, but I'm not 100% sure.
Let me know if you think soap wins.
And why you think that.
I think for me, it's downhill from here.
Look, this has some sparkly things on the side. Ooh, look at that. Rainbow. It's not all bad.
Okay, let's go for makeup. Any makeup we have. I've got the Belle and Argent Glitzy Rose Eyeshadow Duo in Edit and Flash. And that is what she looks like. There is a satin. Oh,
that's kind of cool.
It is kind of cool. A satin and a shimmer with some glitter in it.
That's kind of a fine shimmer one, or fine glitter. You know, it's not like big chunky.
Yeah, a fine glitter.
Yeah.
And that's pretty.
So pretty.
Full-size version would be $16.
Not too bad. Not too bad. I got the Deer Beach Solstice Lip and Cheek Cream Tint in Leo Carrillo. That's a little thing. Looks like that. There we go. That's about the color there. It's awfully bright. In Warm Peach.
Let's see.
This summer, in Warm Peach, this multi-purpose, creamy, pigmented tint delivers the perfect amount of flush to lips and cheeks for a sun-kissed wash color. Tip: layer the product on your lips and cheeks for a more intense color payoff. In a world where this is a deluxe sample and the MSRP of the full-size version of this product, 2.5 grams, is $25. In a world.
I don't know. What do you think?
By war. I like that.
You think I got that point?
Yeah, because I'm not that. Yeah, I don't know. This might be okay, but.
Okay. I don't even know where to start next. Okay, we've got one item the same.
Yep.
It is the Vanilla Co. Miss Flower and Mr. Honey.
Miss Flower and Mr. Honey.
Propolis Rejuvenating Lotion. So it's just a hand lotion?
Score all the intense skin nourishing benefits of honey and propolis, a soothing mixture created by bees. Honey also created by bees. In a lightweight moisturizer that works for all skin types and absorbs fast. A few pumps morning and night will leave your skin with the prettiest glowy sheen, no highlighter required. Tip: use this as the last step in your skincare routine, but be sure to follow with SPF in the AM. Deluxe sample MSRP of the full-size product of this version, 150 milliliters, is $38.
Oh, so it's a face moisturizer.
I suppose so.
Okay.
And it says warning, may attract bees. No, it doesn't say that. But I'm suspicious.
Okay. So I'm interested in trying that.
Very yellow.
I thought it was just a hand lotion.
Maybe that's just the bottle.
Okay. I want to smell this.
Ah, there's a bee in there.
It has a slight honey smell.
Yeah, not too much though. It's all right, I guess.
Okay, so we both get a point for that.
It's not full of bees, so there's a point in its favor there.
Okay, both of the other things I got, they describe as liquid gold.
Well,
Where is your fifth item?
I got the fifth item. This one too.
Oh, okay. Okay, I've got Derma
Fourth item.
Vitamin C Concentrated Serum with hyaluronic acid.
Yeah.
From, oh, it's Derma E. It's just a vitamin C serum.
I got the Tarte Man-Eater. Where is it?
It's a mascara.
Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. It's more of a fuzzy one than a spiky one.
Oh, this doesn't smell very good.
The inkiest jet black formula and a flexible brush are the ultimate power couple for lifting and lengthening even the tiniest hard-to-reach lashes. One quick coat is all you need for a seriously fanned-out look. But a second or third layer will give you a falsy-like effect. Tip: wiggle the wand from lash roots to tips, adding more layers for more volume. Oh, more layers for more volume. I thought it was less layers for more volume. MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $24. I don't know if I want to use this because it might eat me.
Okay. Mine. Read about mine.
Derma E Vitamin C Serum. Including the serum in your skincare routine helps you break up with your dark spots. Stupid. And texture skin for good. You're breaking up with your skin? I don't know about that. This bottle of liquid gold also helps to protect your skin from harsh UV rays while packing in some serious moisture. Tip: add this to your nighttime routine to help soothe, moisturize, and brighten skin as you sleep. Why do you do it in the nighttime routine if it's going to protect your skin from harsh UV rays? I guess maybe it's still protecting you the next day. It's just that powerful.
Oh, no.
Deluxe sample. MSRP of the full-size version of the product, 2 ounces is $24.95. How much is that? Wait. What size is that?
Half a fluid ounce.
Oh. That's an awfully big... Oh, okay, I'm looking at that. I'm looking at this one. It's like, that's an awfully big container for... That's still an awfully big container for half a fluid ounce. Oh, whatever. And on we go.
Okay. What do you have?
I have the Pyunkang Yule Highly Moisturizing Essence Mask Pack. Treat your skin to the ultimate moisture rush. These sheet masks are full of nourishing ingredients like strengthening kombucha, anti-aging peptides, and a blend of hydrating ceramides, wait for it, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. That will help deliver deep moisture and a glow to your parched complexion. Tip: after you remove the sheet mask, pat in the remaining essence like a serum. Full size, MSRP deal, 2 each. Here you go.
Thank you. So there are 2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what this is.
It's liquid gold.
It just says liquid gold with glycolic acid by Alpha H.
Your face is going to be gold. They don't call this liquid gold for nothing. But do they? The exfoliating liquid uses 5% glycolic acid to accelerate your skin's natural shedding, revealing luminous, clear skin. The addition of licorice root extract and silk proteins help keep your skin bright and glowing long term, like gold glows. Tip: on nights when you use this, save it for the last step in your routine.
Last?
very last.
After moisturizer?
Last. You have to put it on and then instantly fall asleep, or it won't work. If you do anything.
I don't think you put this on after moisturizer.
Anything after you use it, it won't work. Your skin will just fall off. Maybe it's you save it the last step in your routine because it's going to be burning your skin after that, and it's too painful to concentrate on any following steps. Liquid gold.
Okay, I definitely think you got that point. So, I think that means we're tied.
Yeah. We're tied and equally underwhelmed with our bags.
Yeah, honestly.
I got soap.
Honestly, I'm happy you got this because you gave them to me.
Ah.
And I'm excited about this mascara.
You should try this one and that one, and then you can compare and contrast.
You don't want this?
Nah, it's okay. It's going to eat me. I don't want it to eat me.
Do you want this?
I would try it.
Okay. See, we do this.
We share. Because sharing is caring.
Okay. So, who do you think got the better Ipsy bag?
Are you glad that you didn't get these bags?
What did you get in your Ipsy bag? Let us know.
And is anything in your Ipsy bag full of bees? These aren't, but it was a close call.
I was very underwhelmed this month. Anyway.
I was just whelmed.
Okay. Alright. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like to. Leave a comment down below. Let us know all the details. And check me out on my socials. They are linked in the description box down below. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something... What?
Floats into your life.
A bee floats into your life and stings you. And...
Metaphorically. Right? Metaphorically?
Yeah.
Okay, metaphorically. A bee of happiness stings your day, and your day says ouch, and then it's better.
Yeah, so that you can have a happy, wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. Stay away from beehives. And
This is an endless waterfall of vibes.
okay, we both will see you in a video tomorrow. And okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.